in this video, I will show you how to use RotoBrush in After Effects, how to type things behind your character or behind the person who's talking in the video. I think you have seen a lot of videos with a lot of backgrounds work, like typing in a text or using this money raining in the background, or make it darker, or make it black and white. All these things we will learn in this tutorial. So if you like this video, please leave a comment and make a like and subscribe for this channel. We now 3 subscribers, which is the fucking thing. I'm sure that this video will reach more and more people and you will get benefit from this video, and for sure improving my English with making these videos. Let's go on the screen and see how to make it. Opening After Effects, and let's get any video like this one here. We'll get part from the video. So we'll take this specific part regardless what I say. First thing, you have to select this tool here, RotoBrush tool. You double click in this video, but you will work in another thing, in another window here, which is layers, this here. So let's make it like that, and double click with this RotoBrush tool and this thing here. So after that, you will select the main character or main thing in your video, and you will see the results here. So you will start to select. I know there is some extra parts here, but we will fix that. Very good AI here. So when you select thing, it will maybe select all the character or the person without having any issues like that. And also there's some tricks here with hair, because when you have someone with hair which is not sharp like that, you may face some problems. So we can zoom with our mouse and alt scroll and like that, and by holding alt from keyboard and still hold it, you will see this changes to red color. So you will start selecting this. So now problem solved. Now we have some hair here, which is, so we have selected, but there is another thing. When you have something like that, some hair like that, we will select the RotoBrush, but the second one here, so you can fix all these problems. Make it more bigger by holding Control and left click from your mouse. You will be able to change that. Now you can select this here like that. So as you can see here, it will make some work. We will not need that. So we just will select the parts that may have some issues, but in this here we don't have a lot of issues, but in other things you will need it. We need to go to the gym also. So keep in mind, go to the gym so you can focus in the work. And the cool thing out of this video, if you are a video editor or someone who's sitting in the PC for a long time, make sure to have a good seat here. You may have another seat with this neck bar, but I have that seat. It's solved me a lot of problems. Whether if you make thousands of dollars a day, your pack will still be more expensive. So make sure to get a good chair for your pack. Now let's get back. Now everything is done here. We have this part. We'll select it like that. Let's see the results here. Now I think everything's okay here. So you will need the background. So you will still need the background. So you will make another copy from this video. Control V from keyboard and go to the video below, and you can stop this audio and just stop this effect from RotoBrush, so you can get your background back. So you can write anything or make it. The point here is you put any layer between these videos. So I can get any screen, any money drops like this one here. So I will put it here.
Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how real estate professionals are.
So this is how it looks.
Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how real estate professionals. Hey there, in this video, I'm going.
So now we've added some background money like that.
In this video, I'm going to show you how.
Now we can write any text, and Control T and start writing any text like in this video. Make it like that and put it in under the first video. So
Hey there, in this
we can make a typing effect from here, from
video,
we can drop some shadow to make it more professional. I'm just telling you how to make anything behind the person, but I'm not making anything relating to what he say.
Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how real estate professional.
So that is the final
Hey
video.
there, in this video, I'm going to show you how real estate professional. Hey there.
So that's how it works. Also, you can change the color of the background, which is this video here, adding any effect for the background like tint, geometry color, and make it like black and white, or make any effect to it like that. Make it black like that, or make any change you want. You can add some, old film effects or anything you want. So that's our tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want anything inside After Effects or Premiere Pro, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to check our portfolio website down below, and feel free to reach out to us to ask for any help. And thank you.